what looks like an artist's brush but lives underwater. The Mediterranean fanworm. This marine marvel, Sabella spallanzani, is one of the ocean's most beautiful and fascinating creatures. Imagine a living organism that looks like a floating artist's brush. Cool, right? Here's the kicker. These fanworms can retract into their tubes in the blink of an eye when they sense danger. It's like they disappear into thin air. Or should I say, thin water. Wouldn't it be awesome to have that quick hideaway trick too? Let us know in the comments. But wait, there's more. Sabella spallanzani uses its stunning fan-shaped tentacles to filter food particles from the water. It's like having a built-in net for catching microscopic meals. And those feathery plumes? They're not just for show, they're its way of breathing too. Talk about multitasking, a living filter and a work of art. What do you think of the Mediterranean fanworm? Drop your thoughts below and make sure to hit that like button if this